Mirabeau B Lamar, President of the Republic of Texas from 1838 to 1841. He was well educated, used military force against Mexico and natives, wanted Texas to remain independent, opposed annexation, promoted education, increased Texas debt due to cost of conflicts and overspending, relocated the capital to Austin. So pretty much everything Houston was, view-wise, Lamar was opposite. Houston wanted to be annexed to the United States. Lamar wanted to remain independent. Uh, to oppose annexation. Uh, Houston was all about saving and decreasing the debt. Lamar increased the debt due to conflicts with Mexico and natives, and also expanding the military and navy. And relocated the capital to Austin. Debt issued more paper, issued paper money called redbacks, worth 15 cents on the U.S. dollar. So not good value anywhere else besides Texas. Cost of Indian wars was 2.5 million. Financed a Santa Fe expedition, was a failure. Kept Navy active and bought several ships, so spent more money than we had. Debt went to 7 million by the end of his term. So did not do a good job of getting money back into Texas and saving money. He thought you got to spend money to get better, spend money to make money kind of concept. Again, we talked about he moved the capital to Austin. Originally, the capital of Texas was in Houston, but he moved it to Austin. Right? Many thought the capital needed to be more centrally, so and that is a good location and it is the capital today. It was originally named Waterloo, but now named after Stephen F. Austin. Relations with Mexico was not good. Right? The Santa Fe expedition, when he tried to get land up here in Santa Fe, was a waste of money and time and only made things worse with Mexico. Relations with natives, wanted to kill or force them out of Texas. Forced Cherokee to Oklahoma, had Chief Bowes killed. Large number of raids, kidnapping, the council house fight where they were supposed to exchange prisoners ended up being a conflict that only got things worse between the Comanche and Texans. Education, he was known as the father of education, so you can thank Lamar for Texas education being where it is. He set aside land specifically for education, about 18,000 acres, and also known as the father of education here in Texas. Right? So that's it for Lamar. Again, everything you think of Houston, Lamar is opposite. Just remember that. And the only thing they really had in common were that they were both president of the republic at one time. Uh, Other than that, their views were completely different.